Greenville County's Sheriff Will Lewis is firing back after a lawsuit accusing him of sexual assault and harassment was filed by a former employee last month.
Sheriff Lewis has asked for the lawsuit to be dismissed. Our Brianna Smith is breaking down exactly what that means for the litigation. What did you find out, Brianna?
Amy, it's going to be years before we get an answer. The sheriff and the sheriff's office attorney are calling for the lawsuit to be dismissed for several reasons, including the claim that the sheriff can't be sued in his official capacity in federal court. A 40-page lawsuit filed by former Sheriff Assistant Savannah Neighbors meticulously outlined details of alleged sexual harassment and assault. But now, for the first time, we're getting the sheriff and the sheriff's office's legal response, which is calling for dismissal.
They're literally looking to trim the fat off of some sort of just monster piece of meat there that you literally are trying to trim down to the most finest elements that have to be proven.
Attorney John Reckenbile is familiar with cases like these. He represented former Lawrence County Sheriff Ricky Chastain's former paramour.
The difficulties the plaintiff has is that they must prove that a relationship went from a welcome relationship to unwelcome.
In the amended complaint, Neighbors states that she filed an EEOC complaint about her workplace environment under Sheriff Lewis, claiming that her Title VII harassment claims should stand.
Was the actions by the sheriff so severe and so pervasive that a reasonable person would be forced to quit?
But Reckenbile says other claims made in the complaint may not hold the same weight.
I don't believe that any other causes of actions really have relevance or will survive the motion to dismiss.
And Amy, we did reach out to Savannah Neighbors' attorney who tell us they will be filing a response in federal court to this dismissal.
And so how quickly does that next step happen? Like, is it weeks, months?
It could be months, Amy, and we're looking at a severe backlog of not enough judges in the federal court system right now, so it could be years and years before this lawsuit is ever settled or goes to a jury in court.
All right, more to come on this. Brianna, thanks for getting us up to date. Well, after the